Soon, people will be able to travel between Egypt and Saudi Arabia in about an hour by car. The highway itself will be 30 kilometers long, plus a 10-kilometer bridge that will link Ras Hamid city in Saudi Arabia with Egypt's Sharm el-Sheikh spanning the Red Sea. But it's not a new idea. Ahmed El-Din Nabil is one of the consultants who worked on the concept decades ago.
The idea was floated back in 2003, and many companies submitted offers to build it, and I was one of the consultants on the project. But the recent sea border demarcation between Egypt and Saudi Arabia made it possible to finally build the highway and make the dream come true.
The bridge is a cheaper and faster transport option than sea freight or air flights. It has 5 lanes on both sides to allow about 55,000 trucks to cross daily, and a railway line that will facilitate the movement of labor and goods. The business community has commended the project, saying it can promote bilateral trade and investments as well as economic integration between Asia and Africa.
Our company trades between both countries. We currently stock our products partially in Egypt and in Saudi Arabia. The new bridge will improve logistics as our warehouses will be located in dry ports along the highway. This will significantly reduce costs and help us expand our business. It will also create Afro-Asian economic integration and open the door for the transport of goods and services between both continents at lower costs.
The groundbreaking project is also expected to give a huge boost to the tourism industry, especially because it runs through the Red Sea resort city of Sharm el-Sheikh and next to Saudi's upcoming NEOM futuristic city.
The project will boost Saudi and Egyptian Visions 2030, as many tourism projects, like hotels, will be developed along the highway, in Sinai in Egypt, and in Saudi Arabian side to increase tourist inflows. The faster, cheaper route will also hike religious tourism, with more pilgrims expected to travel to Saudi Arabia on this road.
However, the so-called Moses Bridge still faces several challenges.
First, located on the Red Sea makes it a sensitive project geopolitically in this volatile period. It is monitored by most countries, especially the US and Israel. It is also important for China because it's part of the Silk Road. Another difficulty is the Red Sea coral reefs under the bridge. Plans have been modified to build a cable suspension bridge to avoid marine environmental damages in the area.
According to the Egyptian government, the plans are ready and approximately $4 billion project, completely financed by the Saudi side, will enter the construction phase in the near future. Yes, Hakim for CGTN, Cairo, Egypt.